Science Academy, the science provider of the nation.
So, Assalamu alaikum everyone. So, today I plan to do for you guys a binary numbers. So, binary number system. So, last time we have learned some concepts of how numbers work, how the flipping of the last number is going to happen. You know, I say, you see, if you have a kind of a number, let us say it is been, the numbers that you have, let us say from 0 to 4. If that was the case, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the numbers. So if you want to represent 5, the number 5 is not there. So instead of 5, you are going to put 1 and 0, right? So 5 is equal to 1, 0. So that is how we were doing last, that is what we were learning last time, and how these kinds of things work. And we were also, looking at certain numbers, certain binary stuffs as well. So today we will learn a little bit deeper on these binary numbers. For example, so number one thing what we are going to do is, if you have been given a binary number system, how to convert that into decimal. And the next one is, if you have a decimal number, how are you going to convert that into binary number systems. These are the two kind of things we are going to learn. So let us consider 2 or 3 problems in that. So we will say 1 0 1 1. So we need to find this binary in decimals. So what is the decimal number represented by this 1 0 1 1, and we will say 1 1 1 1 1 and a 0 over here, right? So 2. So what is the decimal number represented by these two numbers? So this is what we are going to learn now. So to find that, what we have to do initially is, now you see, if you have 27 in decimals, let us say, right? If you have 27 in decimals, right? So you know that this in the unit place means 10 to the power of 0th place, right? 10 to the power of 0, right? The order or the power of 10 should be 0. So on the 10th place, what you have is 10 to the power of 1, right? This is called the 10th place. If it was if you have another number, it was 127, so this is in the 100th place. So you say 10 to the power of 2. So power is increasing. You understand what I'm saying? So if that was the case, in this number 1 0 1 1, this is at the unit place, which means, instead of here what we put was 10 to the power. So here what we have to put is 2 to the power. Why so? Because you see that from 0 to 9, if you have a decimal number system, the numbers are from 0 to 9, right? So the next adjacent number is going to be 10. So here the number system of the binary number system has numbers 0 and 1. So the next adjacent number is 1 0, right? 1 0 in the sense that is 2. 1 0 is 2. So now we will say 2 to the power of 0 multiplied by 1. So here what you have is 2 to the power of 1 multiplied by 1. And then what you have is 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by this number, that is 0. And here what you have is 2 to the power of 2 cubed, 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 1. So now you put all these numbers, and then you have to add them together. So 2 to the power 0 into 1 is going to be 1, 2 to the power 1 into 2 is going to be 2, 2 to the power of 2 into 0 is going to be 0, 2 to the power of 3, that is 8, 8 into 1 is equal to 8 again. So when you add all these numbers, what you are going to get is 11. So the decimal number represented by 1011 is going to be 11. Understood? So if you consider 11110, right, you have 4 ones and a 0. So you have 4 ones and a 0. So let me erase this part. So you have 4 ones and a 0. So this is at the unit place. So 2 to the power 0 into 0. So this is at the 2th place. So 2 to the power of 1 into 2 to the power of 1 into 1. So this is at the 4th place. So 2 squared into 1. So this is at the 8th place. So 2 cubed into 1. So this is at the 16th place. So 2 to the power of 4 into 1. So when you do the math, so you will get 0 here, you are going to get 2 here, you are going to get 4 here, you are going to get 8 here, and you are going to get 16 here. When you add all these kinds of things, what you are going to get is, you will get 2 plus 4 is going to be 6, 6 plus 8 is going to be 14, 14 plus 6 is equal to 0, 2 remains, so the answer is 30. So the number represented by this 11110 is going to be 30. So this is how we convert binary number system into decimal number system. Okay guys, so we are done with converting binary number system into decimal numbers. Now we will convert decimal numbers to binary number system. So in order to verify those kinds of things, we will have to do a couple of problems. So we will focus on doing these problems. So we will consider 55 and 20. How are you going to convert this 55 and 20 into binary number system? So if you have 55, let us say you have 55. What you have to do initially is 55 should be divided by 2. No matter what the number you are using, you have to divide it by 2. Keep on dividing it by 2, right? So 55 divided by 2 is going to be 27, right? 27 into 2 is equal to 54. 54 plus 1 is going to be 55, right? So 1 is remaining. So that remaining 1 should become here. So 27 divided by 2 is equal to, now 27 also cannot be divided by 2. But if you divide 27 by 2, the answer that you are going to get is 13. And you will get 1 as a remainder. So you are going to get 13 here and 1 will be remaining. 13 divided by 2. Still 13 also cannot be divided by 2. But if you divide 13 by 2, you are going to get 6 and 1 remaining, right? So 13 divided by 2 is going to be 6 and the remaining one should be come here. 6 divided by 2 is going to be 3. It can be divided by 2. So you're going to get 3 here and the remaining is 0. 3 divided by 2 is going to be 1 and the remaining is 1. Now what you have to do is you have to erase the last portion and you will have to come from the backward, right? Backward in the sense you are not supposed to come from here, you are supposed to come from behind. So the answer for 55 in decimal is equal to 110111 in binary. So you say to the base 2. So if you consider 20, how are we supposed to find the binary value of 20? Divide this by 2. So you are going to get, sorry, you don't have to put this 2 here. Divide this by 2, you are going to get 10 here. So the remainder is 0. 10 divided by 2 is going to be 5. So the remainder is 0. 5 divided by 2 is going to be 2. Remainder is 1. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. And the remainder is 0. That remainder also should be put here. Now 10100 is the answer for this problem as well. So 10100 and underneath you have to put 2 representing the number is represented in binary. Now this is not 10,100, this is 20 since the base is 2, right? Hope you guys understood these kinds of things. If you have any problems, just put a comment what should I explain to you guys or clarify to you guys, and you can use the WhatsApp group in order to ask problems as well. Thank you very much.